What is up, Etowah High School? I'm Casten Augustine, and you're watching Cooking with Casten. Today we're going to be whipping up some New York strip steaks, and from what I've heard and what I know is that a lot of people think that steaks are intimidating to cook, and I'm here to tell you that they aren't. And I want to show you how to cook one. So we're going to be searing it in a pan, and we're going to be basting it instead of like on a grill or anything like that. Let's get into it. To season your steak, add salt and pepper generously to both sides. Turn your stove to high heat. Add some olive oil. If the steak sizzles, then the pan is hot enough. Cook each side for 30 seconds. We're gonna go for a nice medium rare cook. Turn the heat between low and medium. Add a little bit more olive oil. Add some rosemary, some thyme, and some garlic. You're going to want to baste each side of the steak for around 15 seconds, and you're going to want to do that 3 times. Once done, put on the cutting board and let rest for 3 minutes, and then slice to see your results.